We're always working to make things easier for our customers and maintain our industry-leading performance. One of the ways we do this is to listen to customer feedback and make changes as a result. Introducing our latest investment in a new and improved online application portal. For the first time, you can create an online account to apply for all your developer services needs and track the status of your application, whether you're a property developer, builder, or homeowner. Need to submit more information? You can do that online. Need to view all your quotes, documents, and correspondence? You can do that online. Making more than one application? We'll save your details to speed up future applications, giving you more visibility, saving you time, and helping you connect to our network more efficiently. In October 2020, 5 of our most common applications will be launched on the new portal. Our other processes will follow in 2021. And remember, we'll be with you every step of the way, at the other end of the phone, to guide you through the new process and answer any questions. Visit our website to create your online account and find out more information on the new portal, including how-tos and some answers to frequently asked questions.